Get up. It's time to do farm chores.
Yeah.
It's a party in my pussy. What shoes should I wear today? The chanclas. Is that how they say it? Or these? What goes with the Versace? I feel like the slides. You know, you can't never fuck around and go wrong with a slide. Come on, Angel. I got my Versace on today. My Versace. Damn, bitch, let me fucking up my wig. Y'all know how much this robe costed? This Versace? $600 for this robe. Did I pay for it? Absolutely the fuck not. Come on, angels! Ooh, it's a little warm out here. It's a little warm out here. It's a little warm. Oh, now y'all running. Y'all better not. Y'all better not. Y'all better not. Y'all better motherfucking not. Oh, Jesus. Don't pull no shoes. Easy. We have sense. We have manners. Don't be. I'll take my fucking shoe off. Start it. And don't fuck up my Versace. Quit. Booth. You big brat. Let's go. In your stall. In yours. Who? I ain't got no shoes on, damn it. Go, big lady. Come on, Wook. Wookie. That's Wookie. Wookie! You fat bastard. Wookie, in your stall. In your stall. Thank you. No foos. No foos. No foos. Ooh, my fucking wig. Stop. Hey. Oh, special ass. Quit acting crazy. Shit. Damn, I feel like, I really feel like Rapunzel with his hair getting long, you know? Rapunzel. Rapunzel, oh Lola, what you thought you know, baby? Look, what you thought you know, my little princess? Your shoes on? Come on. Let's go to your stall. Wrong stall, wrong stall, wrong stall, wrong motherfucker. Wrong stall. Lolo. 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 Come on, let's go to your stall. Go. Oh, crazy ass. Shit. Wrong stall. Wrong motherfucking stall. Oh, my God. Tell him, Sadie. Tell him, Angel. Wrong stall, Lolo. Y'all really know how to cut up. I tell you that. Y'all be good every day of the week, and then he comes and films, and y'all cut the fuck up. They're stars at this point. They know. Come on, Angel. Low to the flow. To your stall, Angel. Low to the flow. Your stall. Low to the flow. Hush money? No, ma'am. You go in your stall and you stay. Thank you very much. Thank you, Angel. In your stall. Low, low. I know you got to be fucking kidding me. Bust her. Low, low. You have gone into everybody's motherfucking bedroom but your own today. Let's go. Lolo. You cutting up today. You cutting up. Let's go to your stall, Angel. Lolo, come on, baby. Come on, baby. Lolo. Oh my God. I'm gonna beat you with this damn Versace if you don't come on. Come on, Lo. Your mama's gonna see this and she's gonna cuss you out. Come on. Come on, Lolo. Let's go to your stall, Angel. Go, go, go. Go to your stall, my princess. Lord have mercy. Quit. Lolo, thank you. Thank you. Damn. So fucking hard about that. And she's fucking... Doll! You raggedy ass mother... I am gonna beat your white ass. Doll. Doll. Get your blonde-headed ass to your damn doll. 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 No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Go. Go. Oh, goofy ass. Go. Yeah, she saw that Versace coming. She said, shit, let me stop. Go to your stall. And quit eating my damn seed. Go. Go. Stupido. Oh, stupido puta. Yeah, bitch, I'm bilingual. I swear sometimes y'all really drive my nerves. Yay! Yeah, yeah, yeah. You better saw my pussy. Hey, Angel, little baby Angel's head. I got something in my eye. Okay. Excuse me, Angel boy. I feel like I'm taking taekwondo lessons in this. You know what I'm saying? Let's get down to business. Didn't Mulan take taekwondo lessons? Or was that something else? Whatever, that bitch climbed that telephone pole, didn't she? Shit. I bet Pocahontas will fuck Mulan up for real. If you think about it, I bet Pocahontas would the fuck out of her. If you really think about it, like Pocahontas versus Mulan, she would whoop her ass. She would probably Xena Warrior Princess her ass. Calm the fuck down. I don't know. When Mulan cut her hair off and she was looking butch, she might could have whooped her. I don't know. Because she did look like a whole man there for a little bit. Who is it?
Sandy's out in the pasture. Just laid out, so don't forget about her.
You leaving?
Yeah, I'm going to work. Love you.
Love you. Hey,
What?
who you think would win in a fight? Mulan or Pocahontas?
Mulan's kicking that bitch's ass.
Oh, no the fuck she ain't. He done pissed me off now. He done pissed me off. Pocahontas got Grandmother Willow. Grandmother Willow slapped the shit out of her. People probably gonna watch this and be like, oh my God, you're feeding so much shit. First of all, I'm still feeding a all foraged based diet. They get alfalfa pellets, their vitamins, and then just cause it's been like funky weather, I'm giving them a little extra calories with a little bit of rice bran and beet pulp. And this is EPM minus This is for horses that have EPM, silver lining herbs, a holistic way to treat. And y'all already know this is my... Why am I giving all these bitches shout outs? I ain't sponsored by none of these folks. Never mind. Shit. Then I got a little vitamin E for the Princess Lolo. Because Lolo actually has EPM as well. So she gets treated like once a year for it, just to make sure she ain't got no flare-ups, you know, kind of like y'all's herpes. You know, you just want to treat it so y'all don't get no outbreaks. Bitch. Hi, look at my Versace. Beautiful. Okay. Hello, little angels. Chill out. Here, Lolo angel. Precious lady. Princess. Here, hush lady. My other crazy wild child. Here, mama. Here, Wookie. Don't steal your... Let me put it in the damn stall, Wookie. Shit. He gonna steal it. Chance, don't go in there. Chance. Hi, Fooey. Hi, Fooey Foo. Here, mama. Here, angel. Y'all want to meet my new grandbabies? Here they are. They're so cute. Ooh, I need to change out some bedding. I need some food. I need some fresh water. Oh, please. Y'all so fucking nasty. What are y'all doing? Come here, little angels. Come here, little angels. Come here, little angels. Hello, little angel. Oh, chill out. These are Isa Browns, which I usually hatch my own chickens, but I can't ever find Isa Browns. And Isa Browns are what Fluffy was. So when I went to Tractor Supply the other day, they had them, and I had to snatch them up. Hey, little angel. Don't shit on my Versace. What you doing? You're very cute. Girl, you got lice? What are you doing? Don't pick me in the eye. No, they ain't got no names yet. All right, hop down. Hop down. Hop down. Come here, hop down. I gotta change your bedding. Hop down. Come here, hop down. Oh shit. There you go, hop down. Thank you. Ugh. Don't start no shit today. Not in the mood. Shut up. Shut up. I ain't listening to it today. I ain't listening to it. Oh, Jesus. Here we go. I ain't listening to it today. Zip it. Zip it. Come on, Chance, quit eating shit. Whew. Who would have thought? From a trailer park to doing chores in your Versace robe. I'm really a bougie bitch. I'm coming, Angel. Get that shit on my fucking floor. Where y'all think y'all going? Uh-oh. Come on, angels. Come here. Shut up. Doing all that damn hollering. Did y'all know Britney Spears just got a DUI? She done got arrested, y'all. I know. What we gonna do? Here, babies. Okay. Hold on, I gotta get this shit up. Got no toilet paper down here. You think you own whatever land you land on. The earth is just a dead thing you can claim. But I know every rock and tree and creature. Come on, hell, slow ass. Don't be shitting in my floors no more, babies. That's not very nice of you. Na 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 na. Hi, Mary Kate. What you doing, girl? What you doing, girl? Here. Y'all let my girl Mary Kate eat before I fuck y'all up. Bunch of bullies. Roo-roo. Here, babies. Here. Here. There you go, my angel girl. Go get your food. Y'all want to meet my new Silkies? Hello, little babies. Look at my new little Silkies. Ain't they cute? That's Ladarius. Come here, Ladarius. Ladarius, come here. Come here, Bob. This here is Ladarius. Look at his little afro. Hey, little angel. What you doing? What you doing there? Where you going? Where you going? Come on. Look at that little fuzzy face. Oh, you gonna calm the fuck down is what you gonna do. Look at his little fuzzy feet, his little afro. Oh, it's just so fucking cute. Corella, Spot. High does the sycamore grow if you cut it down. Come here. Let me show y'all to the people. Let me show y'all to the people. Come here, angels. Come here, angels. Uh-huh. Hey, you're doing way too much. Hey, we're doing way too much, Angel. It's way too much. It's way too much, okay? Let's calm it. You're on like a 10. I want to bring it down to about a 5. Hey, what did I say? A 5. Bitch, I said a motherfucking 5. Oh, goofy ass. Come here. Cruella. Cruella. Come here, girl. This is Cruella. Look at it. Look at. Y'all are about to piss me the fuck off. Acting like y'all don't have no sense in front of all these damn people. This is Cruella. Look at her beautiful coat. She's beautiful. Ah! She's beautiful. There we. Bitch! Oh shit. Cruella gotta go night-night now. I need to get all these eggs. But I will not be putting this shit in my fucking Versace. I can tell you that. Come on, we're gonna go feed the pigs. Winston! Winnie! Winston! Winston! No. No. Come on. Come on. Come on. This way. This way. Hello. Come on. Come on. Come on, big boy. Come on. You nasty bitch. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. And don't get your slobber on my Versace. Sit down. Sit down. Bitch, come on now. Sit down. Winston. Sit. Sit your big back ass down. Sit, Winston. All the way. That's a good boy. That's a... Winnie. Get your ass. Come on. There, Winston. You get your scratches. Oh, wait. Bitch, I you want your wheelbarrow scratched? Yeah. That's how you treat them children. That's how you get them to mind. Pop that ass with that paddle. They be listening then. Bitch, I know Taekwondo. What? Ooh. Shit's heavy as fuck. My God. Okay. Whew, shit. It's fucking heavy. Yeah. It's a party in my pussy. Whew. Let's call Kale.
Hello.
Hey, quick question. We're filming. Who would win in a fight, Mulan or Pocahontas?
Oh, Pocahontas for sure.
Period. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye. I'm called Bunny. Calling Bunny. She's probably asleep.
Hey, Percy.
Quick question. We're filming. Who would win in a fight, Pocahontas or Mulan?
I don't know either of those bitches. So I keep Mulan. Yeah.
Are you fucking kidding me? Who's with you?
Momo.
Ask Momo, who's winning, Pocahontas or Mulan?
She said Mulan.
Okay, we're done with her.
Yeah.
Pocahontas is so like, let's save the like animals and everything, but Mulan's like, let's beat the shit out of everybody.
Mulan ain't shit. Okay, thank you, love you.
Love you, bye.
Bye.
She ever said-
Let's call Savannah Chrisley's orange ass.
Hello.
Hey, quick question, I'm filming. Who would win in a fight, Mulan or Pocahontas?
I've never seen either.
Oh my God! What is wrong with you people?
I don't, Mulan, we're gonna go with that.
How have you never seen Pocahontas? It's one of the most classic Disney movies of all time.
But guys, I was a tomboy. I would rather have on basketball shorts and watch a damn princess.
Oh, get off of my phone. You're wasting my unlimited minutes.
Love you.
Love you, bye.
Hello.
Hey, quick question, we're filming. Who would win in a fight, Pocahontas or Mulan?
I don't know. I want to say Pocahontas, but Mulan had a sword, so I don't know. But you know, Pocahontas is elite, best
Period.
princess
She has a
ever. There will
raccoon.
never be another.
She's got a raccoon and a
fabulous
motherfucking.
hair.
Yep. Okay, thank you.
Okay,
Okay, bye. Damn, I got Trailer Trash Tammy. Let's call Chelsea Lynn.
Hey, honeys.
Quick question, we're filming.
Yeah.
Who would win in a fight, Pocahontas or Mulan?
I don't even know who Mulan is.
Bitch! How do you not know who Mulan is?
Is that a Disney movie?
Yes.
I'm not a Disney movie guy.
Oh my. Okay, never mind.
But Pocahontas was real and a badass, so I'm going with her.
Pocahontas. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Love you, bye. Let me call Brianna real quick and ask her.
Hello.
Quick question, we're filming. Who would win in a fight, Pocahontas or Mulan?
Mulan.
Get off my phone, goodbye. Who else should I call? I'm about to call Zach. Okay, I'm gonna call Zach from Shinedown.
So tired.
Hey, I don't need your shit, we're filming. Can you answer a question for me?
Yeah.
Who would win in a fight, Pocahontas or Mulan?
Man, I'm gonna go Mulan.
Fuck, okay, thanks, bye.
Nah.
I could call Marco. Calling Marco Summers.
Hello?
Quick question, we're filming. Who would win in a fight, Pocahontas or Mulan?
What is wrong with you? Pocahontas.
See? I'm telling y'all, why do you think Pocahontas?
I just like her name better.
Oh, goodbye. Zach just texted me. This motherfucker got me Googling Mulan and Pocahontas at 9 a.m. Well, that should end the debate. My husband was wrong. I was right, as usual. Pocahontas would curb stomp that hoe.